You're using it every single day. You're answering calls, you're sending text messages, and you have apps for different things like listening to music, being on social media, and other things. But what if you could make $233 a day from your phone by simply answering questions? Would you be interested in that? And what if I told you that it was totally free? Well, just go to... First, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. But if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. Therefore, it is highly recommended to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on anything that is important. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel also. It is My IM Tips. It is related to make money online, work from home, internet marketing tips, and a lot more. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a long-term, real, sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can make money online for free from our phones. Let's go! Okay guys, so first let's have a look at how this works. Basically, it is super easy. People want to ask questions about different things. You can see here, ask your questions, tell us your situation, ask any questions in any category anytime you want. And then the second one is let us match you. We'll connect you in minutes with the best expert for your question. That is where we are going to come in here. And finally, chat with an expert. Of course, they're going to chat with you, and it can actually be talk, text, or chat till you have the answer there. So there are 3 different ways here actually that you can apply for as an expert here also. You can see that there are already 12,000 plus verified experts. This is definitely a legit and very good site. 8-step expert quality process including license verification, skill tests, and reviews. Every question saves money. Join over 10 million members who save money versus in-person appointment. And as you probably figured it out already, service that's tailored to you. And of course, you save valuable time at home. Okay, let's proceed here. Over 10 million members has been helped here on this site. So once again, it is proof that this is a legit site. And you can see here, ask us anything. And of course, Trustpilot has left a good review. We have also Google that has reviewed 4.8 here. So definitely a good site to get started with. Now let's go back here to the top of this site and let me show you here. And you can see here actually that the expert answers to virtually any question. Chat with all kinds of experts for personalized help. And people can join here for only 60 euros per month. Now that is approximately around $70 US. You can see that there is anything from lawyers, doctors, vets, mechanics, but there are definitely much more. So if I just click here on the more, that we are talking about experts that will answer your questions on relationship care, parenting, wedding, jobs. There are so many categories here, and I can definitely guarantee that you're probably going to find something that you are good at and can apply for here also. Now let's go back here a little bit and let's have a look at the section where it says for expert, because this is what we are interested in here, okay? Because we are going to be the experts. And you can see here that you can earn an average of $2,000 up to $7,000 a month. Earn money when you're answering questions in your field of expertise online. Set your own hours and work anytime, anywhere. So this is the best part, that you decide how much you want to work here. And you can see here, make money doing what you love. Of course, you're going to be the expert here in some of the fields. You work anywhere, anytime online, and it can be actually from a desktop, a computer, or a smartphone, which we are interested in. And of course, you decide how much you want to work there. So you set your own hours, when you're available, you choose the questions you want to answer. And you can see here that there are categories from divorce lawyers and dog vets to Maytag techs and Mercedes mechanics. Or if you have professional expertise, then of course you can earn cash on just answer. Basically, you can see that there is a lot of opportunities. There has been over 16 million questions answered here also. So really simple, all you have to do is apply online. You need to do the background check here, so they do need to work with a third-party verification firm to check that your credentials, which takes a few days, and then of course you can get started to make money online. Here also some testimonials left, and here is frequently asked questions. You can see here it says how long it takes actually to become an expert. Usually takes less than 2 weeks in the USA, Canada, and less than 3 weeks elsewhere. So you have to be patient here. Of course you can't get started right away, but it can also go faster. We don't know that. You will know, of course, they will contact you via an email, and you can see here, will I have a scheduled shift? There are no scheduled shifts. And how you will get paid is they pay out via PayPal. So that is super cool as well. Do I choose my own customers and questions? Yes, you always get to choose which questions you answer. So if you can't answer, of course, you just have to say no. Really super easy and super simple to get started with this. Now there is actually something else that you can make money here. You can actually refer an expert. So if you have a friend or something, you can actually refer him and you will get a commission for that as well. So basically, as I said, they match incoming questions to the best expert who's currently available, which you are, of course, so that people can get their answers within minutes. Now, customers, of course, are able to ask as many questions as necessary to get the answer they're looking for, and they are allowed to seek for a second opinion if needed as well. Now basically here is the thing, that you can't just rely on one of these sites, so I'm going to share with you one more here, and that is why it is also of course important that you watch the whole video here, because there is also another site like Sixya.com, 6ya.com, and you can see here that instant expert help over the phone. So what we need to do is go to the section where it says become an expert here also. And this is really super cool as well, because Sixya allows professional experts to earn money by providing quick help to customers over the phone. And you can see here you earn dollars for every call you take. Average call is only 45 minutes long. You set your own schedule here also. The average call is only 45 minutes long. You share your expertise, you use your professional knowledge to help people with their product problems. And you can see here is a sample of the app there. You set your availability, you accept voice and video calls directly on your smartphone, and you monitor your earnings through the app there. So you need, of course, to have the app. Really simple how it works here also is that you sign up, you verify your experience, and you get started to make money by helping people. You decide, of course, how many calls to accept and when. Now, I don't know if you saw this earlier here, but this is super cool. You can earn $100 sign-up bonus. And you can see here $100 bonus will be paid to experts who accept at least 20 calls within 7 days from their activation. Here is some frequently asked questions if you need to see that. Of course, you do need a smartphone. In order to become and accept calls, you must, of course, have a supported iOS or Android smartphone. Can I decide? Absolutely, as we said earlier here. How long does this call last? On average, most calls do not exceed 5 minutes. So it totally depends on the question. And of course, if there are more than one question, it might take a little longer. But still, it is not bad at all. And what is the difference between direct and service call? You can see here that verified experts will be routed calls from Sixya customers who request a call through the Sixya app. But any expert can share his or her profile to their circle of customers or friends and can generate direct calls. Now, how much will I earn? This is also interesting. Since you set your own rate for direct calls, your earnings will be directly determined by the number of calls you take. Really super easy. At any given time, your Sixya app will show your current earnings when you logged in on expert mode. Calls that are routed to you by Sixya will generate a predetermined per call rate. Note that both direct and routed calls under 1 minute are free to the customers and do not generate any fee. So this is also important to keep in mind. And we have also the PayPal mentioned earlier here, but there is also bank transfer or mail check if you prefer that. Alright, so if you're interested in having a look at more of the questions, you can do that. Here is just on Google Play. I just wanted to show you real quick also. You can see here that it basically says the same thing. You instantly connect with repair and tech experts here, okay, who can provide all the help you need over a short phone or video call on your smartphone. Now this is a great way to make some money online. But if you want to learn how to create a full-time passive income online, making money while you sleep, or how about while you're on vacation? Now if you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, having a boss yelling at you, if you want to make a change and have financial freedom and start to live your life on your terms, make sure you take the first step and check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and make sure you also check out my other video recommendation at the end screen here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.